Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my April 2020 premium box from BOXYCHARM. I did receive it today. Thought I would just go ahead and share it. For my base box, I did record that for you guys, but I also did a try on of some of the products that I was able to try on in the video as well. In this video, I'm not so much going to do that just because I peeked in the box and it's not a lot of makeup items. So it's mostly skincare, and so yeah, I'm not going to be trying it on this month for you guys. Now, I want to start where I do try on the products for you guys if I'm able to. So that is something I'm going to continue doing as the months go on. But I will say that peeking in the box, like they just kind of threw stuff together for me and just threw it in. So we'll just go ahead and look at it together, and I will let you guys know my final thoughts. I don't want to base this one box on, because last month, obviously, everybody knows we all got Fenty products, and though several of the items were not the best shades for my skin tone, I was still very happy with it. But I did see the premium choices for this month, and I believe I went on to try to make my premium choice, or did I make my choice and I don't think I got it, so I need to check my email because I think I did make my choice and I don't think I got what I asked for, which was the Natasha Denona blush and highlighter palette. I think it's what it was. Because I've never tried any of her products. So yeah, I'm not too happy, so I just thought I would go ahead and record this video for you guys. You guys know it comes like this. It is blue instead of being red like the other one usually is. It's saying I got variation 51. Let me know in the comments if you got 51 as well and what you thought. Another one of these makeup erasers. I did not get this in the box, but they did send a 20% off if you want to purchase a makeup eraser. I will leave the code in the comments below. If you're not familiar with a makeup eraser, it's just a cloth that you can rewash and reuse to remove all of your makeup. It's just a safe and effective way to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, I just feel like they just threw whatever they thought would be fine in the box. I don't think that honestly, I feel like lately, and I know that a lot's going on with the world and that this is not a big concern, but I feel like they're just kind of packing boxes but not taking in consideration what we chose and put on our information sheets or whatever profiles of what we do and don't want, because hair care is definitely on the far end of my list. I don't know what this other product is. It looks that we got more hair care, I think. So yeah, definitely that's on the far end of my list. I don't even want anything to do with hair care, really, to be honest, but it looks like they put that in here anyways. So the first thing that I see is the Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. It says it has a full size of liner inside. I don't own any Smashbox palettes. I did see this on the variations, and so I was hoping that I would receive this. So this is one thing I did get that I actually wanted in this box. That is what it looks like. It's very pretty. The shades are very small. They're not super big, but you get a variation of colors, so that's really nice. I love that it has different matte skin tone shades. It has a couple of shimmers, and then it has, you know, for those two different skin tones. And it does have a always on gel liner and fishnet, which is the black. It is creamy, so that's nice. I'm excited to try that and try this as well. So yeah, that is what that one looks like. This is the black liner. Very pigmented. I'm excited about this one for sure. Like I said, when I saw this, I was like, oh, I want that one if I can get any. So I'll let you guys know and maybe do some looks with that in a different video. It is festival vibes, And like I said, I got 51. So it's saying that the eyeshadow palette has shades of LA. It features 9 mattes and 7 shimmers inspired by the streets, sunsets, skylines of LA, plus a full-size eyeliner. That retails for $45, so that's pretty much all of the box. If that's all I keep, I did pay $35, then as the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. This is in the color Waikiki Rose. It says it's luxury K-beauty with multitasking color meets longwear performance. Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious, soft nudes, and a feather light blurring matte. Velvety texture, non-drying, long-wearing with monochromatic tones. It's like a nudie pink, so that's going to be really pretty. I've heard a lot of good things about Nude Stick. I never tried it. I'm going to take a little bit of what I'm wearing off. I'm just going to dab my lips a tad so I can try it. Okay. Doesn't really have a smell. The color is really pretty. It's just your nudie pink. That does retail for $28. Wow, that's pretty pricey. So we'll keep trying that. We'll see how that goes. Now on to the remaining items. First one is the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. Firm, Hydrate, and Repair. It is a 1.69 ounce for dry, mature skin. Has grapeseed, melissa, and avocado, whatever that is. It is a more natural item. This here says that it has 11 innovative organic plant activities, anti-aging solution, clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, rough texture while it nourishes. That's what it looks like there. Now, it says it retails for $69. That is very, very pricey. This is what it looks like. It's not very big at all. I mean, it's decent size. And I don't have mature skin as of yet. I'm getting there, but I wouldn't say it's mature as of yet, or that I have wrinkles and all of that. So it is very pricey, and though I would love to try this because of the price tag, and I probably would not purchase it myself, I think I'm going to give this to my mom because she is obviously has more mature skin than me, and I think that she would enjoy this, and because it is such a pricey product and I know she won't go out and purchase it for herself, I think I'm going to save that for her and give that to her to try. Sorry. I have Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner, gently exfoliate and balance with AHA and turmeric. This is a 3.38 fluid ounce. It says here that it's a pH balancing toner, helps gently slough off dead skin cells and prep skin for the rest of your routine. It loosens skin so they can fall away, which will maintain clean pores. It has Cape Lilac, eggplant, and turmeric extracts. Soothe and nourish. Discover an easy way to radiance, and it retails for $39. This I'm kind of excited about. Like I said, I definitely do not need, it is a glass bottle. I do not need no more skincare, that is for sure. But I'm going to give it a try, and I will let you guys know what I think. I may do an updated skincare routine because I think the last one I did was maybe fall of last year. I can't remember, but I will do an updated one of that. So that I'm kind of excited about. Again, it was $39. I do like to use toners on my skin, even though I am sensitive. I do enjoy that. Yeah, I got 2 hair items, which I am pretty sure on my information I requested no hair items. So, you know. This is from Green Grass. It's a dry oil spray. Beach Air Fragrance, inspired by Greece. Has bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, electrotrope, and musk. It just says spray into hair or onto skin. You can even spray it on your face. Or no, spray it onto your hands and apply to your face where needed. There is a little coupon in here. It says 30% off your first purchase. I will try to remember to put that down in the description if you guys want to check it out. It is a glass bottle. And it is 4 fluid ounces. Excuse me. Let's see what it says here. It's a fast-absorbing dry oil spray with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate and deliver shine, moisture, luminous without feeling greasy. It can be used for body, face, and hair. So again, that's that right there. I'll try it maybe or pass it along. And it retailed for $36 if I didn't say that. The last thing in my box is IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray. It says it has 24-hour frizz control, 450 heat protection, and it looks like that. I remember these at Ulta. This is a 5.6 fluid ounce. It says here that a heat protectant blowout mimics the smooth frizz-free result of keratin treatment. 100% agreed. Their hair looked like they got a keratin treatment at a salon. So yeah, and that retails for $32. So, as I've said several times, definitely not happy about the hair products for sure. I'm a little bit happy about this. I may try this one here, the toner. The IGK, I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not or save it for a giveaway. This I'm going to pass along to my mom because I think she would enjoy that. I did already try the nude stick and it was nice. It was okay. It doesn't actually set completely, doesn't feel drying or anything like that. The hair oil, I may pass that along, I don't know. But like I said, I am pretty happy about the Smashbox palette. It is maybe the only thing I keep. And it did come with the liner. It did retail for $45. So if I do just keep that, then I guess I got my money's worth. But I am a little disappointed. I feel like I remember doing my choice. I didn't get what I asked for. And I know that the hair products, as I said many times in this video, are on the back of my list of things that I would want. So why I got 2 of them, I don't know, and 2 face products, I don't know. So all I got in this really was this makeup item. But yeah, so I'm not very happy about this box, but you know, it can't be great every month, I'm assuming. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it wasn't a more happy, joyful video, but I will be doing some looks with this palette coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you got down in the comments below in your premium box, if it was something the same or what you got that you did not want or did not like. I would love to hear what you guys got as well. I'm always curious as to what everybody else is getting. So I do thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.